So, hi guys. So, as discussed, today I will let you know how to create a GitHub Action workflow and run a Terraform plan, apply, and run. So, basically, the main function of this video is that specifically I will let you know how to run the workflow for creating a resources in the GCP using Terraform. Workflow will contain specifically about the your GitHub Action workflow. So here you can see I have a repository, right? And this is my, right? These are repositories I have. So this is my repository, right? Where I have to be create the workflow, right? So I have already a workflow with Terraform.yaml is available with me. You can see in this workflow, I have a name of the workflow is Terraform. So I have given the event when we push the event, right, on push, when we push the code to the GitHub and branch should be made, so it will trigger, right, prediction we write. So we are creating the multiple jobs. Name of the job is Terraform, right? And we need a runner that's Ubuntu latest. And I have taken this environment as production. So it's just a demo. So you can take it anywhere, but just for demo, I will keep this production, right? So, so I have by default just run the default shell. It's a bash shell. So I have multiple steps. In this step, I'm checking out the code, right? So it will check out the code from the GitHub. After that, it will authenticate with good. So this is a very important step. How to authenticate the GitHub with GCP. So we use some existing actions, right? That is the by default the workflow is already created in the GitHub actions, right? So this is a callable workflow. We using the reusable workflows. That is, we are using this workflow for authenticating the our service account with the GitHub. So we have a secrets created with this. If you see, I can show you here, right? If you see, I have a setting over here, right? In setting, in actions, secret variables, actions, right? I have a, so this variable got created, right? I have a, this variable, right? So I have added the GitHub service account key already there, right? So I don't need to be added further. So just I am giving it, one second. I'm just giving it with the, I'm just giving it with Google Cloud application credential with the secret.gcp key. The key we have created here. You can see here. All right. So this key contains your secret key, right? That is specifically from the service account, which I'm using for creating this Terraform resources. So after that, so I'm just keeping the default credential equal to true. So what I need, so while running the Terraform, I need a one credential file that used to authenticate while running the Terraform flow, right? So what I'm doing is that, so I'm just getting the value of that particular key I have created and I'm just redirecting it to GCP key.json, right? So this file was created over there, GCP key.json. If you see, I will show you here also, right? You can see, go to there, the file is already there. So GCP key.json is there, right? So so it will by default secret key, so you will not able to see the values. So that is specific, right? So once this is done, so I need this key, right? So I am using the setup of Terraform. It will create a Terraform setup in the your runner with a CLI, right? So once this is done, so I'm just initializing the Terraform. I'm just creating, formatting the, I'm just running the plan, and after that I will apply, right? So you can see here. So let me update this workflow again. I don't want to be, right. Let me, so here I will add, I will I will keep the, I don't want to input to be false because it will fail if I keep the input to be false. So I am just after running this, right. So after running the Terraform apply, it auto approve. So I will add the environmental variable. right? Google application credential, right? Which it will use the key. The good thing is that you will not able to see that because it is loading this credential from the secrets which you have created in the GitHub, right? So this is done. So I have my resource.ts is already available, right? In which I have provided is Google, right? I have a resource default, it will create a one service account, right? And it will create a some instance, byte some instance with the required details and attach the service account with my compute instance. There is simple Terraform code which I will apply. Let me update the code, right? So as discussed, so this the code when we push the commit, when we commit, so it will push the code to the main branch and it will run the. Let me commit it, right? You can see here. I will go to action, right? Let me see my Terraform code. So Terraform code is running. It is authenticating my key. This is a step while it is authenticating my service account key. So it is applying. Apply is running now. You can see over here all the steps. You can see that it is generated a plan, right? So it is after that it is applying the plan. You can able to see over here, right? So you can all able to see what is creating. So it is creating the service account. So it is creating the compute instance, right? Similarly, it will create the other sources here. So it has completed his creations. So my Terraform workflow is completed, right? Right. So it has done its part. Let me go to GCP and verify. Let me go to first service account. Let me refresh it. Right. You can see over here. See, service account gets created. Yeah. Now after that, you can go for the virtual machine. Virtual machine. Right. My instance virtual machine get created. So guys, this is what I want to talk. So how this we can use the Terraform, right? How can we use the GitHub action and create a workflow, right, to run the Terraform files and create resources in the GCP. So thank you guys. So anything or any questions you can put me. Right. Thank you. Right.